Hello friends, my name is Pooja and I'm going to discuss an interesting topic of service marketing, that is moment of truth. So let's move to the introduction part. The moment of truth. Introduction. Defined as any episode in which a customer comes into contact with any aspect of the organizations and gets an impression of the quality of service. Good customer service is all about improving the moment of truth. Each customer contact is called as moment of truth. You have the ability to either satisfy or dissatisfy when you come contact with them. A service recovery is satisfying a customer previously dissatisfied customer and making them a loyal customer. So here the moment of truth is where the customer come in a contract with a particular brand or a product and they create an impression about that product. So that moment is called as moment of truth. So let's move on the topic in detail. Here are the four moments of truth. That is, the first one is zero moment of truth. Second is first moment of truth. Third is second moment of truth. And the third one is third moment of truth. So let's move on the topic in detail. Here is the explanation part, where the first one is zero moment of truth. The moment where the customer come into touch with the brand's information, prospect recognizes and goes online to get the information for potential purpose regarding a brand, product and services. So the zero moment of truth is the moment where the customer research the products about research online about the particular product which he is in search of or he is in need of. So he go online, he do online research about that product, or he find the reviews of the product through social media or e-commerce. So in the zero moment of truth, the first thing is we do the research about the product. For example, like if he is in search of mobile phone or he is looking to buy a mobile phone of Samsung, so he do the online research about that product, find the reviews, take feedback from the relatives, friends apart from that. So this is the zero moment of truth. Whereas in the second moment of truth, first moment of truth, the moment the consumer purchases the brand, prospect has aha moment when confronted with the product and realize the alternative, often in real life. This is considered to be the decision point of purchase a specific brand of a product or service. So first moment of truth is the moment of 3 to 7 seconds where the customer find the features of the product and he decides to buy that particular product in this moment of truth. So let's move on to the third moment of truth. Second moment of truth, that is the moment the consumer actually uses the brand. Customer has bought and used your brand or product. The resulting experience hopefully supports your repurchase promise. This moment happens after the customer has bought and experienced the quality of the brand, product or service. So here what you have to do it is the customer brings the product and he uses the product and he experiences the product, and if he likes, he repurchases the product. So the third moment of truth is the moment the consumer seeks further connections with the brands. Customer becomes a true fan and give back to your brand with content and social media engagement. So third moment of truth is where the customer shares his feedback about the particular product or any services which he had experienced with you. So let's move on to the topics. So this is the whole journey of how consumer recognizes to build up their desire to satisfy those needs. So here I have explained one of the example, that is, for example, salon services for hair spa. If any person wants to go for example, if I am looking for a hair spa, so the zero moment of truth for me is here. Here what we do is we do online research, no decisions taking, only evaluating which is satisfying our need. So according to that we decide what actually we need. So here zero moment of truth is I have done the online research for the particular hair spa, like different brands I have seen like L'Oreal. So here at the zero moment of truth I have done the research of the product, and what I am doing is I have done the online research of the particular brand of Strax, L'Oreal or Enrich. So I am researching online to do the hair spa, and the first moment of truth is it can be online or offline. Very first time to see the brand, and it's the first time customer is directly interacting with the brand. So here what I did, is I started evaluating the brand about its features and all, and I have here done a registration. It's a task of 3 to 7 seconds. So what I've done, I've decided that at the first moment of truth, I've decided that I'm doing a hair spa of particular brand, that is L'Oreal or something, and I have started evaluating the brand. I've here done the registration for the spa. And in the second moment of truth, what we do is here it comes is that we buy that product and we have used it and we decide that again we have to use that particular product or not. So that at the second moment of truth, what I did is I have used that product and I've experienced, and in the third moment of truth, I've shared my feedback. So in this, we share our feedback about the product that we have used it, and it can be negative. And if promises are fulfilled, then it is positive. So at the third moment of truth, what I did is I shared my feedback with a particular person because they have given me the services of hair spa. So this could be considered one of the example. There are many examples of services related to hotel industries, airline industries. You can take example for any products also. So that's it. Here I'm ending up with this slide. Thank you.